Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chronicle. Friends, today we will learn about how to switch between relative and absolute references. So by default, a cell reference is relative. For example, if we refer to cell A2 from C2, that is 2 columns to the left, C minus A, and it is in the same row. A formula that contains relative cell reference changes as you copy it from one cell to another. For example, A2 plus B2 from C2 to C3, the formula reference is C3. Adjust downward by one row and it becomes A3 plus B3. If you want to maintain the original cell reference when you copy it, you lock it by putting a $sign before the cell and column reference. For example, I put $A2 and 2 plus $B$2. So I have put the $sign in front of cell reference and the column number. Now I drag it from C2 to D2, the formula stays exactly the same. This is called an absolute reference. So you can try by putting $sign in whichever formula and whichever cell you want to lock it. So likewise, you can fix a reference cell, which is we call absolute cell, and keep changing the relative cell. For example, I want to keep this cell A2 constant, so I will lock the cell number equal to $A2 plus again $2 plus I want this cell to be relative, so I'll make it B2. So the sum is 48. If I drag over here, the sum will change and the 25 A2 cell is common throughout the range. You can see here. Likewise, you can fix an absolute cell and keep relative cell as a variable and vice versa. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share for more such videos. Thank you.